Canon RF16-28 F2.8 unboxing. So since this is more of the budget-friendly variety, it's not an L lens, they don't give you a pouch or a lens hood. You just get the lens itself and the caps. I believe this is still weather sealed, but not to the specs of a L series lens, but there is, yeah, rubber around here to make it slightly weather sealed. I would not put this in a downpour, and I wouldn't put this in the same conditions as L series lenses. Thread mount is 67. So this RF lens is one of the only ones I've seen that doesn't have a programmable ring. Maybe you can program this ring, but there's only two rings. There's this one right here, which I'm assuming is focus, but this is the same kind of texture as their programmable rings. But there's no clicks, so this is probably for focus, and then you have the zoom, and you go from 16 to 28. When you have this lens fully collapsed, I don't think it's usable. They have one of those lenses where you need to enable it by going to 16 first, and then it can go. And this is one of those zooms that the widest is the longest, and then as you go more telephoto, it shrinks. And then when you are done using it, it fully collapses down. Autofocus, manual focus, and your image stabilization, which is huge. Sigma makes 16 to 28 and f2.8 for multiple lens mounts. I don't think they've made it for the RF mount yet, but I had the 16 to 28 for the L mount when I was shooting on Panasonic full frame, and that did not have image stabilization. So this might be the only 16 to 28 2.8 that has image stabilization, which is huge if you're shooting the new cinema cameras, the C50 that does not have in-body image stabilization. But the reason why I got this lens is to replace my EF wide angle, and that is this one right here. This is the 16 to 35 f4 EF, and what I was doing with, I first had EF cameras, so Canon cameras, so it was fine with this. But then when I upgraded to the RF system, I had to have an adapter, and then this became pretty big. And as you can see here, it covers very similar focal ranges. This one goes a little bit tighter in, but this is a 2.8, this is a 4. And look at the size difference. And this is even without the adapter. So it's even longer with the adapter. And it does feel lighter, a lot lighter. So this is gonna be my new wide angle all-purpose lens, travel lens for my Canon RF cameras. And I don't think I'm gonna need the 16 to 35 for much longer, although I do have other camera bodies with different adapters, so I'm not gonna get rid of this completely yet. After I do a few jobs with this lens, I'll report back with a more thorough review with some image samples.